Layout of D.C. The statue right now is in the lobby of One Judiciary Square. That's a D.C. government building. We don't know where L'Enfant's statue will go yet, perhaps here in Statuary Hall with 35 others. We also don't know when it's going to come in. Delegate Norton's office telling me that they're hoping by the end of the year. Now, this announcement today coming not coincidentally on the 219th anniversary of the Organic Act of 1801. That is the bill that put Congress in charge of D.C. and also took away the right for district residents to have a vote in the very government they were helping to create.
Now, your WUSA 9 weather forecast, sponsored by Cox.
So if you look up in the sky tonight, there's a nice little celestial surprise.
It was a nice little treat. It'll be with us for another few days, but tonight particularly we had clear skies and we had like clear air and it was pretty nice. So got a picture. David sent this in to us. We'll show this to you. It was Venus and the crescent moon. And again, you can probably see it tomorrow night. Be a few clouds early tomorrow, but look off to the west. And you do not need a telescope. You can see it with the naked eye. If you have a telescope, it's a little better picture, yeah. So here it is. David Abu sent this in. There's the crescent moon. And there's Venus. I mean, it was clear as day tonight. You could see it easily. From a road, you could see it. Didn't even have to get away from street lights to see it. It was pretty cool stuff. Thanks, David. Great picture. All right. Bus stop forecast tomorrow. Well, kind of like today. Blustery. Wind chills in the 20s and 30s once again. Looks like temps will be around 32 to start and then head up to the 40s by, say, 3 o'clock. Looking at kind of a blustery day, not quite as windy as it was yesterday, but still windy enough to drive wind chills in the 20s and 30s all day. So here are the temps. Goes up to about 47 by 4 o'clock and then back down into the mid-40s by evening. But these numbers are not quite as important as the wind chills, which are running about anywhere from 5 to 10 degrees colder than that. So dress for the 20s and 30s tomorrow. All right, temperatures. Well, 47 tomorrow, 42 on Saturday. That's the cold day. Our last day of February is going to be kind of cold. Low 50s on Sunday. That's the first day in March, comes in like a lamb. And then we're near 60 on Monday, and we're in the mid-60s on Tuesday. And then we'll watch that forecast for the election in Virginia. Could have some showers. At least it's going to be warm, though. So breezy and cold on Saturday. Nice, 42. Probably a little better day on Sunday, 52. We'll call that chilly, but not as breezy. Now, it's going to snow pretty close to here. You might see a rain or snow shower south of town tomorrow, but look at the snow. Both the European model and the American model has great snow across the divide. We always talk about the divide. What is the continental divide? The eastern continental divide, because there are two. You probably are familiar with the one out west, and it's just essentially a divide that divides drainage, river basins and drainage basins. So everything to the west of that red line goes into the Pacific Ocean, and to the east either goes into Canada, the Hudson Bay, or the Gulf of Mexico. But we also have a continental divide. It's an eastern continental divide. And for us, it's a little different. Everything off to the west of that flows into the Gulf of Mexico, and everything to the east of this flows into the Atlantic Ocean. It's not very far away from us, but remember, western Maryland, Garrett County, has the same growing season as Fairbanks, Alaska, and it's only 125 miles away. So it'll be sunny here over the weekend, but I'll tell you what, this is a great weekend to go skiing. And we have not said that very often this winter, because it has not been a great winter for skiing. All right, tomorrow, afternoon or evening, rain or snow shower possible, mainly south and east, though. Date night Friday's fine, just cold and dry. Weekend, dry, cold on Saturday, chilly on Sunday. And here are the wind chills tomorrow morning, 7 o'clock, essentially in the 20s. 25 downtown. By lunchtime, we go back into the 30s with a southwest wind. And by the time we get to 6 o'clock, wind chills north, low to mid-20s to around 30, south, mid to upper 30s. So temperatures in the 40s tomorrow, but remember, dress for the 20s and 30s. So no yellow weather alerts needed. 47 tomorrow, 42 on Saturday, and then 52 on Sunday. Not as breezy on Sunday and not as chilly. Then Monday, we're near 60. Maybe a shower late. Better chance, though, for showers on Tuesday. Rain and maybe a thunderstorm on Wednesday, and then we clear out on Thursday. Breezy and cool back in the 50s. And a reminder, DC United home opener, 1 o'clock Saturday. Bundle up.
Good. You know, teachers always go the distance.
They do for their students. Yeah. They have to. But why the heck is this teacher, watch this, jumping off a ladder and through a table? Yeah, we'll explain next.
When did staying in